Hello, I'm Ardi, an educational technologist from SMA Korea Sumalang, Indonesia. During my 5 years of working as an educational technologist, I have been helping teachers, students, and administrators to use Google Workspace for Education to make their work and assignment easier. I have also developed the school learning management system and taught digital skills for students. The reason I want to be a Google certified trainer is that with technology, I want to help more people around me realize that they can work better, more efficient, and more interesting. Sending personal message to parents about grades, child development, or tuition details can sometimes be exhausting and time-consuming because you should customize email for each parent. This problem can be solved by integrating Google Drive, Google Sheets, and Gmail. In this video, I will show you how to automatically send email with personalized content. First, prepare the files that you want to send, for example, student progress report like this. After that, download Google Sheet template from here. Customize the template as you want, but keep this column, recipient and email sent. Then, you need to create an email draft. You can create placeholder for the data from Google Sheet by using curly braces, like this. After you customize the template and create an email draft, you just have to run the script in Google Sheet. Paste the subject of email draft. And Gmail will automatically send message that you have pre-composed. Done! Your email has been sent. This is the visuals from revision site. Student or parent can get personalized email like this. The name is placed here, and the student report you've prepared in Google Sheets are placed here. By integrating Google Drive, Google Sheets, Gmail, and AppScript, teachers and administrators can send needed updates to parents without wasting a lot of time. Thus, work process can be more efficient.